In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields in Trello. Custom fields let you add the exact details your team needs right on your cards. Things like dates beyond due dates, checkboxes for quick yes or no items, drop-downs for standardized choices, numbers for budgets or estimates, and free text for notes. They help you standardize data and scan your board at a glance without digging into every card. Start by opening your Trello board, the one where you want to add these fields. Then click into any card. You can create and manage custom fields from any card on the board, and once they're set up, they're available across that entire board. On the right-hand side of the card, look for the Custom Fields option under Power-Ups. If you don't see custom fields there, it likely means the Power-Up isn't enabled yet. Go ahead and add the Custom Fields Power-Up to your board, and then return to the card. Once it's enabled, the Custom Fields panel will appear in the card sidebar. Click the button labeled Plus New Field to create your first field. Now you'll configure it. Start with the title. Keep it short and clear, up to 25 characters. For example, budget, priority, or client. Concise names make your board easier to scan. Next, choose the type that best fits the data you want to track. Checkbox is perfect for simple true or false items like approved. Date lets you capture a specific date that isn't the due date, maybe a kickoff or review date. Dropdown gives you a curated list of options like high, medium, and low, which keeps entries consistent. Number is great for quantities, hours, or costs. Text is flexible and works for short notes or labels that don't fit the other types. If you want this field to be visible on the front of each card in the board view, enable the option to show the field on the front of the card. This is especially helpful for priorities, statuses, or any data you need to scan quickly without opening cards. When everything looks right, click Create to save the field. You'll now see the new field on the card, ready for input. Add your value, and if you enable display on the front, you'll see it appear on the card cover in the board view. Repeat this process to add as many fields as your workflow needs. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And maybe consider subscribing. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve it.